Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, April the 20th, 21st of 2024. I've already solved three puzzles, 3 stars Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and the binary. And now it's time for the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku number 8400. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. I think it's a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. Or maybe it's a 1-star puzzle. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Question is this 0 stars or 1-star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. How about dual boxes? I see here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. How about triple boxes? Triple boxes. No triple boxes here. How about quadruple boxes? I see here only 1 quadruple box. The 3 and the 4 is already given, so the other 2 should be the 1 and the 2. 1 and 2. Okay. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first one I see is this one. Let me draw this one here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here another one. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box can be a 2. These 3 boxes surrounding 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surrounding 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surrounding 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surrounding 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surrounding 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes surrounding 3 can be 3. 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Alright, now. Okay. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4. And 5, 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 5 goes and there. Alright. Then. Let me see. This box gave me 3. That box gave me 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area. Should be there. This box gave me 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4. And 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Then, this box can be 3. This box can be 4, so the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area. Should be there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4, 1 and 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1 is connected with that box should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be 3. This box can be 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I think this box should be 2 because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those. That means that those 2 boxes can be 1 or a 4. We have a double 1 there, double 4 there. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. It's also connected with that box, will be so 1 and 4. But it can be 1 and more. We already have a 1 here. So it should be a 4. Is connected with that box, will be so 4. 1 and 4, we have a 4 now. So this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, will be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 1. 3 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then, yeah. This box can be 5, this box can be 1. So 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area. What about 4? 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Wow. Told you. Faster than 50 minutes. Not the 1 star. Faster than 14 and 30 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow on Sunday. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye bye for now.